Hi, everyone. In today's handwriting lesson, we are going to be practicing the lowercase b. And I know you have made this letter lots of times before, but I want you to make sure that you watch me carefully because you want to make this letter correctly. So make sure you have your handwriting paper that has the dotted line on it, and you have your pencil and you're holding it correctly with your pointer finger and your thumb at the bottom, and the rest of your fingers lay next to it. So watch me first, all right? So with B's, sometimes friends confuse their B's and make them incorrectly. What I like to do is I like to think of my friend, Mr. B. Here he is. There's his eyes and his mouth. There's Mr. B. And Mr. B has a belly, just like Santa Claus. Mr. B has a belly. So to make a B, we start with our tall down. And then I'm going to keep my pencil down. I'm going to trace up to the middle and I'm going to roll around. So that is my lowercase b. The pencil stays down the whole time. Watch me again. Tall down, roll around. Then I pick up my pencil. Tall down, roll around. Tall down, roll around. Tall down, roll around. And notice I start at the top line, I go all the way to the bottom line, and I do my roll right in the middle at the dotted line. So tall down, roll around. Go ahead, pause the video, and try making the lowercase b as many times as you can. Do that now. If you need more time, just pause the video. We're going to try doing a B pattern, so watch me. There's my first B and the second B. Then I'm going to do a finger space. And I'm going to do two more. B, B, finger space, B, B. And I'm going to keep going as many times as I can. And remember, the finger spaces are the size of your finger. They should not be huge spaces. So go ahead, pause the video and do the BB pattern as many times as you can. If you need more time, just repause your video. We're going to try one more B pattern. So watch me carefully. I'm going to start with 3 lowercase b's, then I'm going to do a finger space. Now I'm going to do 2 b's, then a finger space. Then I'm going to do 3 b's, finger space, 2 b's. And I'm going to keep going. 3 b's, 2 b's, 3 b's, 2 b's, 3 b's, 2 b's. So go ahead, pause the video and do that now. If you need more time, just repause your video. Take a look at all of your letter B's. How do they look? Do they all touch the top line? And do they all touch the bottom line? They shouldn't be floating up in the air. And did you make that belly, that roll around right in the middle, right where that dotted line is? That is where it should start. Not above the dotted line, not below the dotted line. It should start right on the dotted line, right in the middle. Maybe you can come up with your own B pattern. Keep practicing those letter B's, and I will see you next time.